If you want to turn off TalkBack on Realme GT7T, the easiest way to do so is by pressing and holding both volume buttons for 3 seconds. So if you press and hold both volume buttons for 3 seconds, then you will disable TalkBack quite easily. However, if the shortcut doesn't work for you, you can also manually go to the settings and disable TalkBack. To do so, first we need to understand how to navigate while the TalkBack is activated. In that case, any gesture that you perform with one finger, you do with 2 fingers instead. And in terms of, for example, scrolling, etc., or swiping left and right, you do this with 2 fingers. If you want to use any of the buttons, apps, etc., first you need to select the option or the app by tapping once. So for example, if I'm gonna go to the app drawer, then I can find settings, so I can tap once in order to select it, and then double tap in order to accept, to confirm the selected option. And then over here, of course, we can scroll down to accessibility and convenience, tap once and then double tap once on accessibility and double tap once on vision and double tap, and then tap once on TalkBack and double tap. Over here we have the TalkBack option, so we can tap once to select it, double tap to see this prompt, tap once on a turn off and double tap. And finally, it is now disabled. You can go back to standard navigation gesture, so you can now use just one finger, for example. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.